On the 29th of July, 1014, a war that had run for nearly half a century came down to a single day in the mountains. In a pass near the village of Klyuch, Byzantine forces crushed the army of the Bulgarian Empire at the Battle of Kleidion. This mattered because it broke the one power in the Balkans that could still rival Constantinople. For decades, the Byzantine Emperor Basil the Second and the Bulgarian Emperor Samuel had fought back and forth across the region, neither able to land a final blow. Kleidion was that blow. The result was a decisive Byzantine victory, fought high in the Belasica range in the region of Macedonia, near present-day Klyuch in what is now southwestern Bulgaria. The clash was the culmination of a long struggle between Basil and Samuel in the late 10th and early 11th centuries. Bulgaria had once been a major power, stretching from the Danube to the Black Sea and from the Dnieper to the Adriatic, strong enough to challenge the empire itself. Samuel had rebuilt that state around the town of Prispa after earlier defeats. After Kleidion, the balance was gone. Within 4 years, by 1018, Basil the Second had completely conquered Bulgaria, folding the First Bulgarian Empire into Byzantine rule and ending centuries of independence, until rebellion stirred again decades later. That's it for this one. Watch this next: why Al-Shabaab bombed a World Cup crowd in Uganda.